My name is Dr. Rick Seguil.
And action. Hey, Jay had a... This is Kirk again. And action. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Rick. So, Jess had a question about CCW and CBD. If this is the first time you're finding me though, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the alert button to find out when that's supposed to be a bell. Alert button to find out when I do new videos. So, CCW. It's a concealed carry permit in the state of Illinois, and it is allowed, you're allowed to have it if you have a FOID card and you follow the rules. It's a federal application, so your local, after you take the courses, you can apply to the Fed. They'll send, after they do their checks, background checks, they'll send you back the card, and you can carry a concealed firearm in the state of Illinois. But you can't carry it in certain parts of Illinois, courthouses, schools, etc. However, if you are going to get a medical cannabis card, it does not negate the CCW card. However, if you're trying to purchase a new firearm from an authorized dealer and you have CCW and medical cannabis, that application going through an authorized dealer has to go to the Fed to be approved, and the Fed will see, ooh, he's got two cards, and they will not allow you to buy a firearm from an authorized dealer. You can buy it from local, from friends, from acquaintances, person to person. Flea market, I think, is reasonable because I don't think they do background checks, if I'm not mistaken. Or that could be a problem. No, I think they do background checks. No, they don't. No, at least in Florida they didn't. You can purchase right at the flea market. Here, you still might have to wait 3 days. But that 3-day wait is because an application is being sent to the Fed. And again, when you buy from an authorized dealer and you have to have a background check through the Fed, you will not be able to get approved. So just know that. I mean, medical cannabis is a medical reason. So you have to have the medicine to help with your disease process. At this point in time, until recreational cannabis starts as a approved practice in January of 2020, you really should be holding one or the other. If you already have a concealed carry and you have all the firearms that you need to protect yourself or your household, and you're not going to buy anything from an authorized dealer, then you can apply for the medical cannabis card. But if you're still in the infancy of using or purchasing firearms with your CCW, you probably shouldn't have a medical cannabis card. Just purchase what you can with CCW. Once you're satisfied and comfortable, then you can get medical cannabis and not have any interruptions. So that's it in a nutshell. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of an idea that if you're not ready to stop purchasing, or if you haven't purchased yet, you just still have CCW, then hold off on the medical cannabis card application. I think medical cannabis is great, but at this point in time, the Fed still says, as far as category, it's at number one, and it doesn't make sense. The states approve it, the Fed doesn't. Hopefully they'll get in unison with this thing, but until that happens, that's my suggestion. So if you have any comments down below on what you have found, that'd be great. Otherwise, hopefully this gives you a little idea what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the alert button, and I'll see you at the next Minute Clinic.